children, welcome to today's maths class. Children, today we will learn number counting 1 to 100 and I will teach you to write numbers from 1 to 100 in series in your maths notebook. Along with this, children, we will do trace and write activity in our maths activity book. So children, let's start our today's class. Okay children, now say number counting loudly along with me. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 comes 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here comes 20. After 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. After 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. After 40 comes 41. Then 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. After 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. After 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and this is 70, 70. After 70 comes 71. Then 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and this is number 80. Alright children, so after 80 comes 81. Speak with me. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Children, after 90 comes 91. Speak with me. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and here comes 100. 100, 100. In this way, children, you have to learn number counting 1 to 100 the way I taught you. Children, today I will teach you to write numbers from 1 to 100. First, I am going to write on the board. So, look at the board carefully, children. This is today's date. Today is 22nd January 2021 and you have to write classwork also. So, let's start. 1. Children, you have to speak and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and after 9 comes 10 like this. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and after 19 comes 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and after 29 comes 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, here comes 40. After 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. After 49 comes 50. So, we are done. Children, after 50 comes 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and here comes 70. 70. After 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and here comes 80. After 80 comes 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and here comes 90, 90. Now, the last line, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and see, 1 will come here and 0 will come below 99. So 100, 100. Children, in this way, you have to learn number counting 1 to 100 and you have to write in your maths notebook. Now, I will show you how you have to write in your notebook. Children, now it's time to write number counting 1 to 100 in series in the maths notebook. First, write today's date. Today is 22nd January 2021, like this. And let's leave the first block and we will start from here. Okay, like this. Now start writing 1, 2, 3, speak and write, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. 1 will come here and 0 will come below 9. Leave the next block. After 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and here comes 20. Leave the next block. 21, after 20 comes 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Leave the next block. After 30 comes 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and here comes 40. Leave the next block. After 40 comes 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and here comes 50. Children, let's move to this page now. Okay, after 50 comes 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and now comes 60. Leave the next block. After 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and here comes 70. After 70, it's 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and here comes 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and now comes 90. Children, after writing 90, you will leave 2 blocks. आपको 2 blocks छोड़ने हैं. Okay? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and now see children, 1 will come here in this block and 0 will come below 99. 100, 100. In this way children, you have to write number counting 1 to 100 in series. So write it, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to bring your maths activity for generations book. Children, now open page number 56 and write today's date. Today is 22nd January 2021, like this. Children, you have to write trace and write number 59. So 50 and 9 more makes 59. First you have to trace and write this first line like this. Like this children. In this way you have to finish the first line, and from this block you have to write on your own. आपको अपने आप लिखना है. First you have to write 5 and then you have to write 9, 59, like this children. In this way you have to finish these blocks till here. Okay. Now the next number, 50 and 10 more makes number 60. So you have to trace and write 6060 like this. In the first line you have to trace and write. Like this children. Now from here you have to write on your own. So write 6 and then 0 like this. Till here you have to finish. In this way children, you have to finish this page. Now come to page number 57. Okay, now it's activity time. Reverse each number and write it in the butterfly. आपको क्या करना है? Now see. ये आपको example दिया हुआ है. This is 1, 5, 15 और अगर हम इसको उल्टा कर देते हैं तो what it will become? It will become 51. 5, 1, 51. In this way children, we have to reverse. हमको इन सारे numbers को उल्टा करके यहाँ पे लिखना है. We have to write it in the butterfly. Now write these numbers in the correct sequence in the given boxes. One is done for you. पहले हम ये कर लेंगे, उसके बाद हम इसको correct sequence में हमको इस box में लिखना है. Alright? So let's start children. And first we will write today's date. Today is 22nd January 2021. Like this children. So the next number is 2525. Okay. अब इसको उल्टा करेंगे. We will reverse it. So it will become 52 like this. 5 to 52. Okay. Now the next number is 3535. And if we will reverse it, it will be 5 3 53. Okay. In this way children, you have to write 4 5 45. It will become 5 4 54. 6 5 65 and it will become 5 and then 6 56. 7 5 75 and if we will reverse it, it will become 5 7 57. In this way children, we have to write 8 5 85 and it will become 5 and 8 58. Next number is 9 5 95 and we will reverse it and it will become 5 9 59. The last number is 0 6. So if we will reverse it, it will become 6 0 60. Now children, let's write these numbers in sequence in these blocks. So first is done for us, 51. After 51 comes 52, like this. Then 53. After 53 comes 54. Children, now see, we have written 54 here in the sequence. Now see children, 51, 52, 53, 54. We have written here. Now after 54 comes 55, but it is not here. Okay, it is not given in these butterflies. Okay, so 54 के बाद क्या है sequence में क्या दिया है? 56. So we will write here 56. Then 57. Now next comes, after 57 comes 58. After 58, 59. And after 59 comes 60. So children, in this way you have to finish this activity. You have to finish this page, page number 57. So children, finish these both pages, 56 and 57. Take its picture and send it to me.